Hello, I'm Chini from MSK Marai.
The O'Donoghue unhappy triad refers to the combined injury of the anterior cruciate ligament, medial collateral ligament, and medial meniscus. This triad often occurs from contact or non-contact injuries. While originally described with medial meniscal injury, arthroscopic findings suggest lateral meniscal tears are more common when ACL and MCL injuries coexist. MCL injury. Let's first examine the MCL injury component. On MRI, we can compare the abnormal to normal appearance. The normal MCL is a red linear band, with the orange posterior oblique ligament visible just posterior to it. In MCL injury, there is a thickening of the ligament with increased internal signal intensity and surrounding soft tissue edema. Based on these findings, the case shown is a grade 2 MCL injury of MCL and posterior oblique ligament. Meniscal tear. Turning to the meniscal component, we see a linear high T2 fluid signal intensity extending vertically through the medial meniscus from superior to inferior articular surfaces. This represents a complete longitudinal vertical tear in the red zone, classified as a ramp lesion subtype 4A. ACL injury. Finally, the ACL injury is evident on MRI by an irregular, cloud-like area of high signal intensity within the ACL substance. The ligament's normal striated fiber appearance is no longer visible, indicating a complete tear. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button.